Hi, my name is Shayna Queen, and I'm a realtor servicing the state of Maryland, DC, and Virginia. And I am creating this channel to answer commonly asked questions that I get as a realtor and a real estate investor. I'll be sharing information about the communities that I serve, including dining, businesses, and of course, the people. A little bit about me. I have been in real estate since 2018, where I started in as a real estate investor. I did home renovations and home flips and home rentals. I love all things real estate, and I've been able to use the experience that I've obtained to help a lot of people get to home ownership, get their homes sold, as well as invest in property. Whether you're interested in real estate investing, creative financing, and how to buy a home with no money, or if you are just looking to purchase a home or sell a home and need some guidance and assistance, I am here to help. There will definitely be something for you. And if there are any specific questions or any topics that you would like for me to cover, please let me know in the comment section and I will be more than happy to assist you. Until next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.